In this section, we describe the documentation, training, and community resources available in support of sugar development.
There are many resources available for developers who are just getting started with sugar or who seek to improve their sugar development skills. Our resources fall within three distinct categories: documentation, community, and training. The key documentation resources include the main Sugar CRM support site, support.sugarcrm.com. The main page provides links to key articles, core documentation, and many other resources. And your searches can be filtered by features, specific versions of sugar, or by role. Under documentation, you'll find the Developer's Guide, produced for each version of sugar. The Developer's Guide also provides information about the core architecture of sugar and how it supports the key sugar application functions and features. Studying this guide provides developers with background knowledge necessary for making informed decisions on how to proceed with proposed customizations. The Developer Guide is also the central source of information behind the Developer Certification exam. Knowledge base articles for developers are also available through the support site, and there you'll find additional code examples. The core document for customizing the Sugar platform through configuration is the Administration Guide. Guidance on the core set of platform configurations, from system settings to creating custom modules, is found there. Moreover, the Administration Guide explains central concepts behind the core functionality of Sugar. Sugar developers need to understand core concepts such as module relationships, record visibility, and user and role and team management, and many others. This is why Sugar recommends that all developers work to attain the Sugar Administration Specialist certification. The knowledge required to pass the exam serves developers well in their understanding of platform functionality and in making decisions around whether to employ configuration versus code customization, or both. Developers should also take time to study the Installation and Upgrade Guide. It provides background on platform components, settings, and upgrade processes. Any code customization project in Sugar has a potential to require developers to be aware of the overall environment in which their custom code will run, and whether their code will perform without error when the platform is upgraded to a new version, with a potentially new set of platform software versions. Beyond the specific techniques associated with standard development, developers should become familiar with Sugar CRM's prescribed development methodologies related to code customizations, deployment, and testing. The Development Methodologies section of the Developer's Guide provides information on development best practices, deployment guidelines, environment management, and testing. For example, developers need to understand the difference between customizing on-premise implementations of Sugar versus on-demand hosted implementations. In general, the extensions described in the Developer's Guide can be freely applied to on-premise versions of Sugar. However, it's important to preserve code quality because Sugar customizations run in the same environment as the rest of the Sugar application. Sugar CRM suggests that development teams adopt a development workflow, such as the Git workflow described in Atlassian's tutorial on Git workflow options. When deploying to a Sugar on-demand instance, it's necessary to install customizations via a package using a special tool called the Module Loader. Sugar customers that are hosted on demand cannot directly access their database's file system, but can work with a certified Sugar partner to customize their Sugar deployment. With its origin as an open-source platform, Sugar CRM has cultivated a broad and vital community of knowledgeable contributors to the development practice. The official Sugar CRM community site at community.sugarcrm.com provides a sharing point for end users, admins, and developers seeking help and to provide answers around the Sugar product. Developers can search the archives by category and tags, search for code samples, post questions, and discuss potential answers on any subject, large or small. The developer blog at developer.sugarcrm.com is Sugar CRM's public engineering blog for technical information, tools, product announcements, and information on Sugar-sponsored developer events, such as Code Sprints and SugarCon. There are also many independent Sugar blogs available, maintained by developers both inside and outside of the Sugar organization. Sugar CRM is committed to providing quality training for end users, administrators, and developers. The Sugar University website is where you can explore a wide range of training options. Sugar developer training is designed to help you quickly acclimate to the platform technologies, the code base, and the related customization techniques. Aside from this self-paced training kit, there are webinars on selected developer topics. And there are similar resources available for administrators and developers seeking to work on their configuration skills described in this presentation. Sugar University delivers live training classes, both online and in person. Live developer training is designed to equip developers with new skills and insights into the development practice. Developer training also seeks to help developers devise their own study plans and pathways to proficiency. Live training also provides an opportunity to discuss your particular development issues with a certified instructor during class time and to exchange information with other attendees. Visit the Sugar University Live Training webpage to view the currently scheduled live online or live in-person training classes in your area.
The Sugar University website is also your gateway to certification. Certification is available for 4 separate tracks: Administration Specialist, Developer Specialist, Solution Architect Professional, and Sales Specialist. There's a page for each track, which provides you a set of resources for your exam preparation and enrollment. Sugar CRM welcomes you to the community of Sugar developers. Let us be a part of your journey. Thank you for attending.